If you're trying to log in or create a Telegram account but aren't receiving the code, follow these steps. When you try to log in, Telegram may send the verification code to your Telegram app, not to your phone's messaging app. This usually happens if you're already logged into Telegram on another device. If you have Telegram logged in on another device, check that device. The code might have been sent there instead of your phone's SMS inbox. If you don't have access to other devices or didn't receive the code, tap on Didn't Get the Code option on the login screen. Select the option to receive the code via SMS if it appears. This will resend the code directly to your phone's SMS inbox. If the above options don't work, try downloading Telegram X from the Play Store. Telegram X is an alternative version of Telegram with slightly different features. Once installed, try logging in through Telegram X. It might give you an option to receive the code via SMS if the regular Telegram app doesn't. If you're still not receiving the code, try clearing the app cache and data. Long press on the Telegram app icon. Select App Info. Go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will reset the app settings and may resolve any issues with receiving the code. Go to the Play Store and check if there's an update available for Telegram. If there is, update the app to the latest version. Sometimes, issues like this are fixed in newer updates.